Hi and welcome. I am here today with HTC Desire 21 Pro and I'll be showing you how to change your lock screen wallpaper. So first we have to go to Photos. Not now. First you have to decide which photo you would like to set as your lock screen wallpaper. In our case it's this photo. So to do that, simply tap on these three dots. Oh, whoops. On these three dots. Now choose Use As, Wallpaper, Set Wallpaper and pick Lock Screen. Okay. Now if we lock our phone and try to unlock it, as you can see, our lock screen wallpaper has changed. And that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.